Gentlemen, welcome to my channel. I'm going to go through making a taper jig for my table saw. I just finished it up. It's a pretty handy little project. So the way I did mine, which is a little bit unique. So basically, I just made mine to slide over top of my fence. So I've already got the fence here for setting the accuracy, so I might as well use it. And so I basically have some oak in here that I used. So that the key here's the hinge on the end of it. So this thing will open and close to give you the right taper. Again, so it just sits on top of there, and then I can slide it back and forth to make my cuts. So I've got an adjustable catch on the end of it, so I can set it at the angle. And once I have it set, I just basically turn this guy down, and it's set and it won't move. And I would put my wood in here and then just push it through. So I just made one of these, and you'll see it in the video. Pretty easy, pretty quick. So I'm going to ask if you would please subscribe to my channel. YouTube just changed their policy to require a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. I'm about 100 short. Not a big deal, but if you would subscribe, I would appreciate it. I like doing these videos, so if I get enough subscribers, it just makes me want to do more. So if you have any questions, let me know. The details are pretty good. There's probably some dimensional stuff that's left out of the video, but I can definitely help anybody out who wants any hints. So good luck, and let me know. Okay, so today we are going to try to make a taper jig, or I guess this actually would be myself, so since you're not going to help. So I've done tapers in the past for building furniture, and I usually just custom make something and I end up throwing it away. So I have actually decided let's just make one that I can reuse and keep around. So one of my goals, I have tons of scrap material in my shop. Like if anybody else has a working shop, you probably have similar things. So my major goal is to reuse what I have and not have to go out and buy anything and spend any more money. Plus I can get rid of some scrap and free up some room in my shop. So just a quick, here you go. So again, if you've got a shop, you probably have similar piles of different types of species of woods, plywoods, hardwoods laying around. So there's my corner number one. I got a piece of plywood hanging out over there. Then I have another corner over here full of all different types of wood. You can see down there some oak, there's some cherry, there's some maple. And then of course there's the infamous underneath the bench, which just has all different pieces and sizes and types of woods hanging out. So what I'm going to do is I've got, and I don't have my master plan done yet, but I'm just going to kind of wing it. So this is an old oak staircase tread. I redid my stairs a few years ago, so I'm just going to reuse this. It's got a nice little profile on it, 5/8" oak. I'm hoping to reuse this profile more for a handle, for a push handle, and use the rest of this for the actual jig, including I will need some hinges, which I actually have laying around too. So here we go.